Today we bring you a video with examples of Iofod usage. What I like most about it for beginners is that it allows you to make the interface you want using fewer and simpler operations. Alright, let's put our attention here. First we add a container on this side. Enter the container size. Adjust the position of the container. Add a gradient to this container. Choose a color. Then we insert another image. First select the image to be inserted. Set the image size. Then in this container we add a shadow. Select the color. Finally, in this container we insert a text box. Enter the text to be inserted. Choose an appropriate font size. Change the color of the text to white. Finally, we insert another icon. Change the color of the icon to white. Adjust the position of the icon. Finally, continue adding an icon. Change the color of this icon to white. Adjust the size and position of the icon. Let's insert an image on this side. Resize and reposition the image. Let's insert a container in this container. Change the background color to white. Then add a rounded corner. Modify the size of the container. In this container we insert a text box. First enter the text. First, adjust the font size. Change the color to blue. Align it centrally. Then add the text box. First enter this text. Then we insert a container on this side. Set the container size. Select this container in, cancel his background color. Add another container. Follow this container. Add the background color. Modify his size again. Add a rounded corner. Insert a text box in the middle. Select the font size. Then enter the text. Change the font color to white. Continue inserting a text box. Enter the text first. Modify the size of the font. To add a model variable with this container as a sample. Enter the number of copies to be made. Stack this container. Then arrange it freely. Select this text box again to add a one-dimensional model variable. Add a one-dimensional model variable. Double-click to add. Enter the text to be inserted. Replace its text again. Select the second text box again. Insert a one-dimensional variable. Synchronize the operation. Enter the text. We insert a container on this side. Set the container size. Into this container we insert a container. Set the size and position of the container. We add another container. Change the color of the container. Change the size of the container. Add an opacity. Insert a text box in this container. First type the text to be inserted. Then select this container. Add another general variable. A normal model variable. Then enter the number of copies to be made. And then arrange it freely. Then we select this text. Add a one-dimensional model variable. Double-click to add. We want to enter the text we want to enter. Accelerate skip. Replace the text. Adjust the position and size. In this container we add another container. Insert a color. Add an opacity. We add another container to this container. In this container we send in a container. Set a rounded corner of the container. Select a color. In this container we insert text. First enter the text to be inserted. Continue inserting a text. Set the text color to white. Add another text box. Set the font size. To continue inserting a text, first enter the text. Then select this as a sample. We insert a general model variable. Arrange it freely. Let's insert a container in this container. Resize the container. Add a container. Move the container into the global. Resize and position the container. Add a color. Add an eye corner. We add a gradient. Select the color. In this container we insert an icon. Change the color of the icon to white. And then center it. Finish. Today we bring you the first part of the application build. In this we use three basic components: container, text box and photo to build a menu bar and a matter view bar. In the case of building the same component, 2 copy model variables are used to save the time of tedious operations. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.